nating Ben. Alright, we have a winner! Congratulations! Sa ating 10 winners na may design kit.
Picture.
Picture mo na yung mga winners natin. Siyempre yung mga 9 winners natin meron tayong consolation prize. Bigyan natin muna ka ng mama and your papa. Okay, lahat ng kids, bigyan mo natin mga friends natin. Come on! Agaw, yan siya na prize. Okay, this time at the count of 5. Lahat ulit ng kids sa harapan tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sigaw tayo malakas na go. Okay, try natin kids. Ready, get, set, go! Malakas na lakas. Ready, get, set, go! At this time, mahina go. Ready, get, set, go! Alam mo, pinapa. Ready, get, set, go! Wow, parang malakas siya. Mahina, iisa lang. Ayaw mahina pa. Ayaw pinakamahina. Ready, get, set, very good. Ayaw pinakamalakas. Ready, get, set, go! Very good. Alright, kids. For our next game, pag sinabi ni Kamigo, the boat is shaking. Itataas lang po natin yung dalawang kamay. Taas mo dalawang kamay, kids. Raise your two hands. Taas lang po mga dalawang kamay. And shake natin yung luwas natin. Kasama yung bema. Nagtutol po yun. Very good. The boat is shaking. Come on. Very good naman to. Shake, shake. Kasama yung bema. Very good. Shake. Alright. Kailangan kasama yung bewang. O, ganito kids ha. Kailangan kasama yung bewang. Alright, the boat is shaking. Come on. Shake, shake, shake. Very good. Yan. And then time kids, pag sinabi ko, the boat is sinking, lulubutan ko yung barko. Ang gagawin natin, mag-group by group tayo according sa number na binigay na ginabi ko. Okay, kids, for example, practice na to ha. The boat is sinking, group yourselves into 3. Tatlo! 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 Ayan, very good! Alright! Ayan, di wala tayo may partner, for example. Ito para walang kamali-mali si Francis. For example, si Francis, kids, ilan yung kulang kay Francis para maging tatlo? Kulang siya dalawa. Since kulang si Francis ng dalawa, automatic siya yung ma-out sa game. Naintindihan, kids?